Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a one-time card on Klarna. Righto, let's jump into this very simple 4-step process. So access Klarna via the mobile app or the website and log into your existing account, or you can create a new one with using your email and some other basic information like your cell phone number and your name. You need to then enter the total purchase amount, including your shipping and taxes. Klarna will instantly approve and generate a unique virtual Visa card number for your transaction. Copy the one-time card details. This will be your card number, expiration date, and the CVV, and then paste them as your payment method on your online store that accepts Visa. Pay this back in 4 bi-weekly installments or choose other Klarna payment plans, and then the card will expire automatically after 24 hours if it is unused. This will help you keep your information safe. I hope this was helpful.